Welcome back to ForexCracked. Today we're diving into the question every aspiring trader has asked. Is it really possible to turn $100 into $1 million in the Forex market? Stay tuned because we're breaking down the steps to make it happen. First off, let's get one thing straight. Forex is no get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But with the right strategy, discipline, and mindset, the results can be life-changing. To become a Forex millionaire, you need a millionaire mindset. That means patience, persistence, and a solid understanding of risk management. Your journey starts small, but with consistency, those small gains compound over time. Next, let's talk about risk management. Successful traders don't risk more than 1 to 2% of their capital on any trade. That means with $100, your risk per trade should be no more than $1 or $2. This is how you protect yourself from blowing up your account early on. The key to turning $100 into $1 million is compounding. You'll take small, consistent profits and reinvest them to grow your account. Let's break it down. If you aim for a 10% monthly return in just 5 years, you can reach that $1 million mark. So what strategies can help you achieve these returns? There are a few methods that Forex millionaires swear by: scalping for quick wins, swing trading for bigger moves, and using trend-following systems. The key is to find a strategy that works for you and stick to it. Now, trading isn't just about strategy. It's about psychology. The market will test you, and the biggest obstacle you'll face is yourself. Fear and greed will tempt you to abandon your plan. But to win, you must stay disciplined. Stick to your risk management and trust your strategy. Every successful Forex trader has faced losses along the way. But instead of quitting, they learned from their mistakes and improved. You need to do the same. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Use them as stepping stones to your success. Turning $100 into $1 million is no easy feat, but it's possible with the right mindset, strategy, and discipline. Remember, this journey is a long-term commitment. Stick with it, and the results will follow. If you want to learn more and see these strategies in action, make sure to subscribe to ForexCracked and hit that notification bell. Let's take this journey together. Until next time, trade smart and stay consistent. Your $1 million dream is within reach.